Fix has arrived. If you've been watching my videos and keeping up, then you'll know that April is going to be full of unboxings. In my last video, I had my Boohoo haul, albeit a mini one, where I unboxed some dresses and a nice blouse and tried them on for you. Today, I have my Stitch Fix, and I will be unboxing that and showing you what's inside. So let's take a look and see. So as always, Stitch Fix comes in a really nice box that is printed on the inside. I love it when companies do this with their branding and their marketing. I think it adds a nice touch. Ooh, what is this? Oh, my goodness, jewelry. This will be the first time that I've got an accessory in a Stitch Fix, so I'm really excited to check that out. Now, ooh, let's check this out. So here we have my envelope of goodies, my selections all nicely wrapped, and it looks like I'm getting an accessory as well. Okay, let's see what we have in store. So first of all, we have a nice note. Basically it says, "Thanks for letting us style you." And this is probably the invoice. Yep. Okay. And this is their stylist pick of how you can wear the pieces that they include. Okay, now for the moment all I've been waiting for. Let's open this up and see what they have in store for me for April. Ooh, this is a nice raspberry color. So it's mango, and it's a raspberry color oversized blouse. Okay. And they have a polka dot pleated satin skirt. You can see that, and I will lay these out for you and show them to you afterwards. And then, boy, these are all wrinkled. I'm gonna have to press these. And then a teal green wrap jersey dress. Okay. And last but not least, a pair of high-waisted black skinny jeans. Okay, already just by looking at this, my initial feeling is I'm not too jazzed about this. But we'll see when I try them on how they look. It has been a while since I got a Stitch Fix. Okay, so this looks like it is a necklace that it looks like it's a constellation necklace. So I'm sorry if I didn't seem really jazzed about that selection, but I'm actually not over the moon about it. Those colors seem a bit last season, winter colors. It's April, it's springtime. I was expecting to see a little bit more of a spring mix. And I'm not 100% over the moon about the necklace. I'm not really big on wearing accessories. Price point on that necklace is £22. If you watched my previous video, I bought 3 dresses and a blouse for £45 from Boohoo. So it seems like a very excessive splurge for a very delicate piece. So I'll go give these a try on and we'll take a look. So here's the wrap dress, and this is a UK size 8 as well, and it fits perfectly. I mean, there's plenty of room for it. It's roomy. So that just gives you a sense of that Boohoo might be a little bit on the smaller size. So if you do need to order up, don't take it personally. I think that Boohoo just runs small in a lot of their sizes. But here is the wrap dress. It's very comfortable. It's very easy. It's very casual. Yeah, I mean, it feels really great on. It's a nice fabric. I like the 3/4 length sleeve on it. I do like the teal color. I think it's a very nice color. I always like a really nice wrap dress. So yeah, I mean, actually now that I have it on, I must say I do like it. It did come a bit wrinkled. I didn't want to press it because I wasn't sure of the policy around pressing their items or anything like that, just in case I do want to send it back. But here is the teal wrap dress from my April Stitch Fix. This is the oversized raspberry colored blouse with the polka dot skirt. I like it, but it's not my style. I always pick that I like a classic style. I like pieces that are timeless. I like structured pieces, and this is exactly the opposite of that. It's a beautiful outfit. I think it's absolutely gorgeous, and on the right person, this would look amazing. But on myself, I start to feel frumpy in these. If I was 5'9" or 5'10", I think this would be a great choice for me. But again, I like structured, classic, classy, tailored, long lines, fitted pieces, but in really nice fabrics so that it looks classy, not slinky and stuff like that. But this is a lovely outfit. I do like the color of this on. I'm not overjoyed about the skirt. Also, I do apologize. I did not want to iron this because I wasn't sure about the return policy if I've ironed their clothing, so I'm just trying these on as is. This is a very comfortable skirt, but this, I want to pull this out. This shirt is huge. I mean, I guess it's not that big, but it definitely, you have to have a lot to tuck it in. It is a nice piece that you can blouse out, you could wear it down, out over something, you could wear over something untucked, you could tuck in and blouse up, but it's definitely not some, if you don't have a lot of room to tuck something in, then it's definitely, this is not the blouse for that. Okay, I will be back with the denim, with the black denim jeans. So this is the final piece, and these are the black jeans, the skinny jeans. They're very thick for a denim. They don't have a lot of stretch, but they do have structure. I like that. They are a high-waisted. I'm not always a fan of a high-waisted jean, but I like where these ones sit. They sit just right at my waist. Some sit a little bit higher, so this feels like it's not going to make my bum look 10 miles long. But I think obviously they go well. It goes well with these rich jewel tone color, and I like it. I feel like this could be a nice casual day at work, at the office. Of course, if you're doing video conferencing, then from the waist up, I think this would look great on camera. This shirt is growing on me, I must say. As I'm wearing the shirt, I'm liking it, so I'm really curious to see how this shows up on camera, because that will really help me understand if I really like this shirt or not. For now, I'm not 100% jazzed about the Stitch Fix box this month. I do like the wrap dress, and I do like this blouse, but I have a rule of thumb with these fashion boxes, and that I need to love everything or send it all back, simply because what makes it worth it is the discount that you get when you buy all the clothes together, as well as the rebate you get from your monthly fee. So this is my first Stitch Fix after a few months. I put it on pause for a little bit because I just wasn't getting 100% I love everything in it. And I know that's not easy to do for a stylist, and it does take a little bit of time, but I think it's really important if you get your box and you don't love everything to send it all back, because the point of these fashion clubs is for you to get that discount on all of the items and get your money's worth. And if you're picking one or two things, it benefits them, but it's not benefiting you, the customer, and they aren't getting to know what you like and what you don't like. So probably I will have to say this whole box will go back, although I really do like this shirt and I do like this color. So I might have to sleep on this one, but I'm 99% sure everything's going back, and I'm hoping they get it better next time. So that Stitch Fix was, with all of the discounts, the total, if I wanted to buy everything in the box, £122.78, which I think is actually a really good price. The quality, unlike the Boohoo, which it is, you can tell that the fabric from a distance, but on the fabric definitely doesn't feel as higher quality. The wrap dress was a very nice thick jersey knit. The blouse was a very just nice rich color. The jeans were a thick structured denim. The skirt was also very nice as well. But it's just, with the necklace being £22, that's what threw the value off for me, and I really don't see that as a valuable box. It's a shame, because if there were pieces in there, if I liked every single piece, I would have kept that box, because I ended up falling in love with the raspberry shirt and the denim jeans. So I will definitely have to provide some detailed feedback to my stylist, and hopefully she can get it right again next time. The first few times I ordered, I liked 90% of things, and so I would keep it, because essentially with the discount, it was like getting a few items for free. However, I just don't want to do that anymore, because I don't want things sitting in my closet that I'm not going to wear. So the 20% discount off the clothes came to £33.20, and the stylist discount is £10. So that's really a great value. So I think it's really important to provide a lot of really detailed and helpful feedback to my stylist so that she can get things right for me next time. And we'll see what we can get. Hopefully in May, I will get some surprises that I love, and every single piece will be something that I do want to add to my wardrobe. I also am going to let them know that I don't want jewelry. I think at £22, I think this is it's a bit too pricey. I'm looking forward to showing you May's box and seeing if that feedback that I give my stylist pays off, and sharing that back with you. Stick around and look forward to May's Stitch Fix review, and hopefully I'll get a box that I love entirely. Please subscribe to my lifestyle and fashion channel, where we try on clothes, unbox, share tips, and little things to make our life happier and joyful. I hope you enjoyed that Stitch Fix unboxing and review. It was an honest review, and please subscribe so that you will be notified of my other videos, and come back, of course, to watch my May Stitch Fix, and let's see if my stylist Samantha gets it right this time. Thanks again for watching, and please subscribe. Stay safe, be well, and I look forward to sharing many more videos with you to come. Be safe and have a great day.